What's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Investor Josh, and on a regular basis I bring you what I consider are the best stock and crypto tips to get in on today. Of course, this is all for entertainment purposes only and not financial advice. Please, if you haven't already, scroll down and hit that subscribe button. Hit the thumbs up for the algorithm. It really helps boost the videos up with the algorithm. And if you want to be interactive, feel free to leave a comment. Also, feel free to interact with me on Twitter. My link is down in the description, along with some free money over there down in the description. I have links for the world. There's eToro. Depending on where you live, you can get different benefits. For most of the world, you deposit 100 and trade 100 USD and you get 50 USD. For Qatar, some countries around there, it's 100 for 100. And here in Australia, you deposit and trade with 200 USD, you'll get free 100 USD. Also, an Australian exchange, crypto exchange down there, coinspot.com.au. Over at COINSPOT, you can get yourself $10 for a free Bitcoin when you use my link down below. Getting right into the market, as we know, over the past few days, it has been absolute chaos, mayhem. My portfolio is not looking the best, as I'm sure many of you also have portfolios that are down, unless you are extremely good at day trading and good at shorting positions. You could have made a lot of money over the last week or so, or even beyond that. I'm remaining very hopeful. I see some positive signs. I'm hearing some positive news. And right now, the 4-hourly chart's looking good. People are starting to say good things. I'm seeing more good news come out. Big corporations are looking at getting into it even further. I feel positive about this space. You have to be in a positive mindset. Of course, I'm never going to tell anybody what to do with their money. It's up to you what to invest in, whether it be stocks, shares, cryptocurrency, commodities, whatever you wish to do. Everything I'm talking about here is things that I'm looking at investing in or things I'm personally invested in. Just something for you to think about there. But what I bought today, I bought some MATIC, I bought some Solana, I bought some Binance BNB and XLM. I see them doing great things. Even if I was just to do this as a short-term day trade, I could have made some good money over the past 4 to 8 hours. Things have looked very nice indeed. I think it's very hopeful, positive signs for what everyone's been talking about, the pump back up. So I think we are moving in that direction. I'm hopeful we're moving in that direction. I have taken a portion of, I like to stay diversified, whether it's in property, in shares, or in cryptocurrencies. So I feel as far as being safe, I had too much in crypto. So what I've done, I've taken about a quarter of that out and I've put that into the share market, into 2 ETF stocks. The ticker is, for one of them, is QQQ. Essentially, QQQ is the NASDAQ 100. That's basically 100 top tech companies in the United States. Things like Apple, Google, and so on. Things like that. So QQQ. You can look that up, Google QQQ. Also, the other one I've chucked some into was the S&P 500, which is the top 500 companies in the US by market cap. That one there is VOO, VOO, VOO and QQQ. So to diversify things, to stabilize my portfolios a bit, threw some of my money in there. But now I'm going balls deep over here with the altcoins. Don't even have Bitcoin anymore. I'm over here, as I just told you what I bought. I think MATIC, Solana is going to do great things. Already got holding Cardano, going to do great things. Ethereum, I feel if we're going on this upwards trend, these smaller cap altcoins, MATIC, Solana, and so on, are going to make greater percentage gains. Once I get onto these higher profits, I'll move back into something like Ethereum. I hold great hopes for Ethereum and its future. I think it's going to have an excellent future, along with BNB. I think between those two in the space, BNB as an exchange coin is doing tremendous things, and it will continue to do so. We're going to go have a look at some charts now. People don't like me talking too much, but it is what it is. If you don't like it, you can go watch BitBoy. Let's go check out the charts. Here we are over on CoinGecko. You can see Polygon MATIC up 9.4% for the hour, 12.6 against the BTC and 14.7 against the ETH. Scrolling down, as I said, sorry, 9.7, even higher than 9.4 for the hour. 24-hour period, we're up 9.4%. Doing great things in this short-term period, as I mentioned, probably past 8 hours, excuse me, it's been pumping. You can see the 14-day period, you were still up 30% even after the terrible week or week and a half we've been having. And 30 days, you were up massive, over 200%. Absolutely preposterous, the kind of gains you've been getting over here on MATIC. You can move on now to Solana. You can see Sol, we are doing up 3.2 in the hour. So, as you can see, 30-day period is down, which in my opinion, we're at a good position to buy in right now. I hold massive hopes for Sol's future. I think it can do huge things. How do you feel about it? I feel good about it. Let me know how you feel. Over on the coin market cap from number 1 down through to the lower ones, we have Bitcoin. What I want to show you here, for the past hour, many of these are sitting in green. Some of them are red, but look at this. You got Theta in green, you've got MATIC, you got Sol, you got BUSD. We have a lot of green. I think the market is creating a turnaround right now, and it can do great things. Let me know what you think about the market right now. You got Cake is up 1.9%, Luna is up 8.1%, Rune is up 4.9%. I think we're in at least a short term, we're doing a bit of a turnaround. I hold high hopes for the future that we can do a big turnaround. So that's the market for today. That's how things are looking for the short term. I feel good about the future. I'm not one to say sell all of your crypto or hold your crypto. You can do what you want to do. It's your money. I can understand if you don't want to lose it. Probably something easier than totally taking it out of an exchange or totally taking it out of your ledger. If you don't want to lose your money, would be just to move it into USDT, watching the market, and then when you think it's bottomed out, going back in, buying the coins that you want, hopefully going back up. If you don't want to do that, obviously you can totally take it out, put it in your bank account, do what you want to do. Or as many people do, and many people recommend we do, is hodl. It's all a personal choice. It's all up to you. None of this is financial advice. That's what I'm invested in. That's some of the things I'm doing. I told you about the ETFs, the VOO, the QQQ to stabilize things a little bit more for me. But I just hope we see good things. Don't forget the links down below for the free money on eToro. They've got all the stocks over there, plus your big market cap cryptos. You got Bitcoin, you got Ethereum, you got Litecoin, you got Dash, you got XLM, you got XRP, and so forth. You get your free money over on eToro. You get your free $10 worth of a Bitcoin on the COINSPOT.com.au link for the Australians. And also for Australians, we have, for the concentrating on the US stock market specifically for Australians, we have an app that's developed for Australians called Stake, link down below. You use my link, you'll get one free stock. It'll either be DROPBOX, GOPRO, or Nike. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you all again soon.